What's up, Gala coin holder? What's going on, my friends? This time, my friends, the Gala coin price is pumps up. You can see 0.46% they are lost in last 12 hours, but in last 12 hour, 24 hour, but in last 12 hours, Gala coin will pumps up and get a very huge profit now. So therefore, I'm really happy, my friends, to see the Gala coin latest pump. But definitely after a short dump, every coin will pumps. Every coin will dumps down. So therefore, as you can see, my friend, this coin is also very badly dumps down. But if we check out, my friend, you can see here the resistance line just and only, so they will pumps up, my friend. You can see here just and only check out here. After this pump, you can see, my friend, absolutely it's really huge pump, my friend, and definitely they will again dumps down. So therefore this is temporary pump, but absolutely in last 12 hours, my friends, they will get a very huge profit. So therefore I'm really happy, my friends, to see this profit. The market cap 0.77% decrease now. That's really bad news, my friend, for all of you. But don't worry, Gala coin price will be increasing, because, my friend, in those days short-term investors are starting selling, so the price systems down. But don't worry, the price will be increasing if a holder are starting buying. In upcoming time, there is a chances, my friends, to the Gala coin CEO personally tweet out, we are going to collaborate with a lot of companies. So if they will starting collaboration, then I am 100% sure, my friends, to Gala will give us a very good profit. All right, so my friends, this time, as you can see here, the volume is 19.45% decrease now. Oh my goodness, the condition is very critical now. But don't worry, my friend, you can see the circulating supply is 6.98 billion. That is really good news for all of you, my friends. You can see the circulating supply, you can see it's going good now. But don't worry, my friends, absolutely without any doubt invest now. And I hope, my friend, at the end of month they will give you a very good profit, and they will give you 0.1 USD dollar. 0.1 USD dollar is possible if they will get now, my friend, is 5% profit in last 24 hours in every day. So thanks for watching. Gala coin holders, kindly like video and don't forget to subscribe channel.